Hello friends, you're most welcome on my channel. I am Neelu and you are watching my channel Fond of Literature. In this video we will solve some MCQs question. First question is, in Langland's Piers the Plowman, the final appearance of Piers is as A. Jesus, B. the Holy Trinity, C. Charity, D. the Good Samaritan. Correct option is D. Question number 63. Piers Plowman has a subtitle. It is A. Pilgrim, B. the Truth, C. a Vision, D. none of these. Correct option is C. a Vision. Question number 63. Which is the poem written in Saxon manner with accent and alliteration, a powerful poem aiming at social reform and vividly portraying the life of the common people? A. Hindhorn, B. Mary Hamilton, C. the Nut Brown Maid, D. Piers Plowman. Correct option is D. Piers Plowman. Question number 65. Who is the author of a treatise on the astrolabe? A. Chaucer, B. Langland, C. Barber, D. Gore. Correct option is B. Langland. Question number 66. Confessio Amantis, written by Gore, is based on moral teaching, B. adventure, C. love, D. both A and C. Correct option is C. love. Question number 63. Question number 67. In which language did Lord preach common people? A. French, B. English, C. Italian, D. Spanish. Correct option is B. Question number 68. The translation of Bible was carried out by Nicholas of Hereford and option A. Wycliffe, B. John Mandeville, C. John Purvey, D. William. Correct option is C. Question number 69. Identify the poet from the following who was known for Brooke, the supreme national poem of Scotland. A. Langland, B. Wycliffe, C. Chaucer, D. Barber. Correct option is D. Barber. Question number 70. Who called himself as a nettle in Chaucer's Garden of Poetry? A. Stake Dishames, B. John Gower, C. John Gaunt, D. Thomas Erskine. Correct option is A. Stake Dishames. Question number 71. The poem Troilus and Cressida is based on ... work. A. Boccaccio, B. Dante, C. Petrarch, D. Barber. Correct option is A. Boccaccio. Question number 72. During the Italian period, the reward of a gallon of wine was awarded to or for which? A. Getting married to a queen, B. for outstanding work in foreign country, C. for artistic achievement, D. for ending 100 Years' War. Correct option is C. for artistic achievement. Question number 73. House of Fame is based on form. A. Realistic. B. Virtual imagination. C. Dream vision. D. Religious. Option C is correct. Dream vision. Question number 74. The Parliament of Halls was written to celebrate second marriage. Correct of A. Richards. B. Henry. C. John of Gaunt. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Richards. Question number 75. Which tale is the longest tale in the Canterbury Tales? A. The Cook's Tale. B. The Franklin's Tale. C. The Knight's Tale. D. Both A and C. Correct option is C. The Knight's Tale. Question number 76. About the lines are in words in the Canterbury Tales. A. 16,500. B. 13,400. C. 17,000. D. 18,100. Correct option is C. 17,000. Question number 77. Which poem talks about the story of the son of the Trojan king Priam? A. The Complaint of Omen. B. Canterbury Tales. C. Troilus and Cressida. D. The House of Fame. Correct option is C. Troilus and Cressida. Question number 78. Which is the longest and finest poem of the Italian period of the Chaucer? A. The Complaint of Omen. B. Canterbury Tales. C. Troilus and Cressida. D. The House of Fame. Correct option is C. Troilus and Cressida. Question number 79. Which is a Chaucer's book which hint that the grants of Chaucer might not have been paid? A. The Canterbury Tales. B. The Book of Duchess. C. The Complaint of Chaucer to his purse. D. The Knight's Tale. Correct option is C. The Complaint of Chaucer to his purse. Question number 80. The work of Pearl poet include A. Cleanness. B. Patience. C. Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 81. Which of the following statements about the Germans during Anglo-Norman period is incorrect? A. Chronicles recorded the history of kings. B. Works of early writers were mostly romances. C. Religious writing portrayed the religious life of women. D. Romance dealt with moral-filled adventures. Correct option is B. Works of early writers were mostly romances. Question number 82. Which of these points is incorrect about the Lays? A. They are lyrical poems. B. They are written by Anselm. C. They are usually octosyllabic couplets. D. They are intended to be sung. Correct option is B. They are written by Anselm. Question number 83. Which of these about Geoffrey Chaucer is incorrect? A. Chaucer's first period was of French influence. B. The second period was of Italian influence. C. The third period is also known as the English period. D. There was also a fourth period. Correct option is D. Question number 84. Which of the following statements about the House of Fame is correct? A. It is autobiographical poem composed in 10 books. B. In book 3rd, the narrator meets the goddess Venus. C. It is not in the form of a dream allegory. D. The poem carries influences of Dante's Divine Comedy. Correct option is D. Question number 85. Which of the following about the Parliament of Falls is incorrect? A. It is relies upon the beast table tradition. B. It is written in rhyme roll. C. It is written to celebrate the marriage of King Richard II to Anne of Bohemia. D. It presents a vision of animals gathered on Mother's Day. Correct option is D. Question number 86. Which of these historical events chronology pairs is correctly matched with their period? A. 100 Years' War 1337 to 1453. B. Edwardian Era War 1415 to 1453. C. Caroline War 1337 to 1360. D. Lancastrian War 1369 to 1389. Correct option is A. 100 Years' War 1337 to 1453. Next question. Which of these books with their contents is incorrectly matched? A. The Book of Duchess. Elegy on the Death of Blanche. B. The Parliament of False, Marriage of King Richard II to Anne. C. Troilus and Cresside, Trojan War. D. The House of Fame, Pilgrims on their way to a shrine. Correct option is D. Question number 88. Which of the following profession is correctly matched with their description? A. The Knight, Madame Eglantine. B. The Squire, highest in social heresy. C. The Prioress, Knight's son. The Nun, the Prioress Campion. Correct option is D. Question number 89. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? John Bygilf, Lollard's Movement. B. John Mandeville, Canterbury Tales. C. John Gower, Oaks Clementis. D. William Langland's Piers Plowman. Correct option is B. Question number 90. Which of these authors is correctly matched with works? A. William Langland, Canterbury Tales. B. Bygilf, Destruction of Troy. C. Geoffrey Chaucer, Piers Plowman. D. Julian of Norwich, Revelation of Divine Love. Correct option is D. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and press bell icon for notification of next video.